Nobody told me that I would have to do these in my hair every time I will have to wash my hair. I'm so lazy when it comes to my hair. I would rather just go to the salon and get it done. The whole point of locks was to just have it already done. And I gotta do this to wash it every time. I don't like it. Hey you guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and smash that like button. I'm coming to you with a quick 6-month update on my locks. They are 6 months as of February the 7th, 2022. 6 months left, and this is how they look. Still has the twist pattern. Currently 6 months locked, and I don't do too many styles with my locks. I mainly just let them hang. I did a 2-strand twist here, and I just took them out over like a 2-day span, and this is how they look. Full, like stretched out for sure. I am still using my spray bottle of water. Not really using rose water too much. I hear that might have been the reason why my hair was drying out. But bottled water, spray bottled water. Definitely want to have your Jamaican black castor oil and any hair growth oil of your choice. But I just love Jamaican black castor oil on my hair. I feel like it grew my son's hair, and I feel like it definitely helps for my hair as well. But anywho, use what works best for your hair. So I don't think I did my research enough, or maybe I just didn't know, but you have to like braid your hair down or do like 2-strand twists and banding it at the end, just to secure it in order to wash your hair. And that's kind of tedious to me because that take about 20 minutes before you can, get started on washing your hair. Well, for me, for somebody like me, I'm not a beautician. It may take maybe 15 minutes depending on, because my arms be hurting trying to do this, and then I gotta wash it. Anywho, but you definitely want to um you have to braid down your hair, put the 2-strand on, and um that's how I wash my hair, or I was told to wash my hair, and that takes about roughly 15 minutes to do. I'm not that fast when it comes to like twisting my hair down, and it's a lot, so I just it takes me about that long, and I just feel like that's kind of a hassle just to wash my hair. So I'll really be glad when I can, when I don't have to do that process of maintenance in my locks. um but everything is still the same, just water, oils, your best friend. Keep them moisturized. You can keep a cute style and just do some 2-strands and just let them hang. um and I have a video where you can see some styles that you can possibly do with the micro locks at this stage. If you're in the middle or the smaller size, you can do some styles with it. I would, just kind of relax on the perimeter. I feel like I've broken a few. I don't even know. Maybe it's just the length that they've always been, but this is my hair is 6 months. And for the most part, it's okay. But then you have some areas where I have like a lock that it looks like it's about to fall off. Let me just show you that real quick. They're a little thinny, but I wish I would have known, like, just that it would have been kind of tough to maintain in the beginning, the perimeter, because it's like kind of like it wants to come loose. But as I'm getting into like my maturing stage of my locks. It looks like I'm able to hold my locks foundation when I get my reties. So it definitely looks good right now. Like I said, I just got my hair tied like 3 days ago. And yeah, that's something I wish I would have known about my locks. They do get a little dry, so you definitely have to keep your hair moisturized, and it can get linty. I want to say that. Look at, I don't know, I can't see the back of my head, but this is what I'm thinking. You know, it just looks like. So make sure you know you keep your bonnet on. Don't sweat because it's going to get built up in your hair and it's just a mess. Just if you can maintain that, I wish somebody would have told me. But anyway, I mean, the front still look good. Who is really looking at the back? So you got to go through this stage where you may feel like your locks is just not doing what they're supposed to do, but that will get better because as I'm walking into 6 months, I'm feeling, and I just got a retie, so I'm feeling good. I'm feeling like a queen, okay? Yeah, and those are some of the things that they don't tell you. I wish I would have known when I got my locks. Thank y'all for watching my video. If you would be so kindly, but to like and subscribe, smash that like button and make sure you're showing a friend the video if they have micro locks. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.